Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Grunt Man. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Deb and I and Tristan and Miley are up here at the park. I can't remember what this is called, Centennial Park. Anyway, they're having a hamburger and hot dog feed here for the rodeo kickoff. We're going to go enjoy that, and then we're going to go watch the cattle drive come through with the Longhorns. And then Deb and I got to go to Enid. I don't know if Tristan's you want to go along or not.
We'll see.
It's not going to be anything real exciting, but Deb's got to go to the Social Security office and get her banking all turned around, because doing it over the phone, evidently the government don't believe she is if she is. So it's just crazy. Our government is run by all the bureaucracy, and you can't get anything accomplished. It's just crazy. But it is what it is, and we'll get it done either way. Now we got to make a special trip to Enid. But we go over there, we're going to make the best of it. We'll just stop at Aldi's, and we got to get some paper plates and stuff for the reunion coming up. So we'll just do it all at one time. We'll get her done, and we'll just make the best of it that we can. So, but we're a little early here for burgers and that, so we got to wait. Just wanted to get our video started. We might go sit out on the park bench for a little while and just enjoy the morning. It's getting humid already, but we got to get used to it anyway, because this weekend we'll be out in the heat anyway. So we'll talk to you later. God bless. And we're going to go to Enid, like I said earlier, but
Big day.
Big day. I wasn't planning on Enid today, but we're going to get it done and have it over with. And tomorrow morning I got to get up and make some barbecue sauce for the reunion. I was going to do that this afternoon, but I'll just get up in the morning and do it. It's not a big deal. We're just going to go to Enid and get it done today, and that way I don't have to worry about it after this. She's got all of it done. But anyway, yeah, we're just here waiting for the hot dogs and hamburgers.
It's still horns down because we're in Oklahoma. Remember that they don't like the, what is it, Texas Longhorns?
Texas Longhorns, yeah.
But we like the cattle drive though.
But they're just Longhorn cattle. These are Oklahoma Longhorns.
Cattle.
But yeah, we're just sitting here waiting.
Kind of roast me? Hey, I was actually there early. He can't roast me on
we got Tristan up early this morning, so. But anyway, we'll just keep you updated throughout the day here, and we'll get what we can for you guys. Talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, we're just standing in line for the burgers. There's quite a line behind us.
Okay, at least
they're doing the burgers over here.
That works better than that crowded last year.
Yeah, this works really good here in the park. But they're just getting the hot dogs and stuff off the grill right now. So.
Fucking flies.
Hey everybody, we're just sitting down here waiting for the cattle to come in. There's just a few minutes before they start coming. We seen the cops head out and they escort them in, so it shouldn't be too long. But I enjoy this every year. I love the cattle drive.
slow down.
But yeah, there's getting to be a few people out here ready to watch the cattle come through. So yeah, we just wanted to get you a quick update, so we'll talk to you later.
problem. I want to take off.
Hey everybody, we just left the cattle drive a little bit ago, and we went back to the house and got some stuff ready to go. And all four of us are on our way over to Enid right now. Miley and Tristan decided to go along with us, so yeah. they're crossing up here right now. But we'll be waiting for the cattle drive here again in a second because they're crossing over the highway here. Oh, they're at the end. It's just about done because there's the buggies at the end of the. Yeah, they go out to the.
That was pretty cool.
They bring them out to the rodeo arena. So, but anyway, we're over to Enid. Go over to the Social Security office and get Deb's banking situation figured out. Then we're going to go to Aldi's for sure. And I think Deb wants to stop at Hobby Lobby, the Lobby Hobby. So yeah, we'll bring you along for what we can, and we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, we just made it here to Enid. We're 10 minutes from the Social Security place, so we're right here by the famous Jiffy Trip that I did the breakfast review on that day.
Keith, how was that breakfast?
That was the most horrible breakfast I had.
He was so disappointed when he made the video. He was, I'm not going to eat there again.
Expensive and not worth a damn.
What did you rate it on a 1 to 10?
Maybe a 2.
Yeah, 2?
Yeah, that was horrible.
Continue on South Garland Road for 2 miles.
Usually them breakfast sandwiches aren't too bad, but theirs was miserable.
My clone came back to life. I smell it again. Do you smell it?
But anyway, we're here in Enid. I gotta
Adopt a street.
concentrate on what I'm doing here, so we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, we got everything done in Enid that we needed to get done. I need it. Oh.
He needed.
But we got done at Aldi's. It was a madhouse in there. And then we took Miley and Tristan to Chick-fil-A. They wanted something to eat. I got chicken at home in the crock pot that we're going to have for dinner when we get home. So yeah, we'll be home in about an hour and 15 minutes or so, and we got everything taken care of now in Enid that we needed to get done. So we might put you on time lapse for a little bit here, and we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I'm just out here in the back garden. The peppers are setting more peppers on. The pepperoncinis are just loaded with blossoms. Keep the weeds pulled out of them. But yeah, it's full of blossoms. I give them some blossom set fertilizer last night, and the blossoms really took off. Even on this one, it's got blossoms now. The green beans are looking good. Just finishing up out here, just got done watering. Tomato plants are all doing well. I got some blossoms here, blossoms on this one. Haven't seen any blossoms on these cherry tomatoes yet, but they got a little bit later start. The cucumbers are doing really well. They're really climbing. I just want to keep them going up the trellis. And keep them climbing, keep them off the ground. But they seem to be doing fairly well. There's a lot of little cucumbers on there. But we just got to train them to start climbing the trellis. They'll get there. These are all looking pretty good. Eggplants are coming up there. This is a pepper. It's looking good. This is an eggplant. And this is my climbing green bean. It's doing real well. I would like to see some beans start, but they'll get here when they do. Wind broke one off. But it's doing real well. This one's just about to the top of the fence. And these two got in later. But yeah, they're doing well. I'm curious to see some beans come on, but I don't know how long it'll take. But yeah, it's doing well. The sunflower's doing good here. The petunias are still full bloom. So yeah, I'm still pretty excited about the garden. I haven't been out here a lot in the last couple of days. I've been really busy, so. But anyway, just wanted to get you caught up on the garden here. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, hope you had a very wonderful day today. We got a lot accomplished today. Took a road trip that we weren't expecting, but we got Deb all situated with her Social Security now. We got that out of the way, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. Just wasn't expecting to go to Enid today, but it went good. We stopped at Aldi's and picked up a few things for the reunion, and so it all worked out okay for us. And what else did we do today? We watched the cattle drive. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We went and had our free hamburger. Tomorrow morning I want to get up and I'm going to make some barbecue sauce for the reunion. And then I'm not sure what else we're going to do during the day. I think Deb's got to teach Miley how to crochet or something sometime tomorrow. And we got the rodeo tomorrow night, so we'll be headed up to that. And so yeah, the next few days are going to be very busy. My younger brother will be in town Thursday afternoon. We're going to go to the rodeo Thursday night. And then Friday we'll be heading out to the campground for the reunion. So it's going to be a busy rest of the week. Tomorrow will probably be our only day to really not have a whole lot of work going on. But I'm sure we'll still stay busy doing something. We got to wash clothes for sure. So we'll probably get that done tomorrow. I'm going to make barbecue sauce early in the morning before it gets too hot, and then it can cool off. And yeah, but anyway, I need to get my video finished up. So yeah, if you haven't yet, that's kind of what I was going to talk a little bit about. Losing subscribers. I really don't know what's going on, but maybe they're just tired of my videos, or if YouTube's doing something, I really don't know. But I've been losing subscribers every day, and it's kind of disheartening. You work that hard to get subscribers, and all of a sudden they're taken away from you. And but we're going to just keep plugging away, doing our best, stay positive with it. But it is a little frustrating when you lose subscribers instead of add. So if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, comment. I definitely appreciate all your guys' support. It's free to subscribe. You really don't even have to watch the videos if you don't want to. But I definitely appreciate the subscription. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So there was something else I was thinking of, but it must not have been important. So like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving towards your goals, one step at a time. Be nice, be kind. Just be the most awesome person you can possibly be. Keep the Lord in your heart. Say a prayer for somebody who needs it. Help somebody if you can. And always remember to dream big. Keep your dreams alive. It's very important. God bless you guys. I love you. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.